Hello, in this tutorial we are going to build a Spring Boot 3 REST API example with model that implement CRUD operation. You will know way to define Spring REST controller, way to handle HTTP GET, POST, PUT, delete request for CRUD operations, how to define data model and service component. So now I will create the project Spring Boot from Spring Initializer. So I will go here and I put here Spring Initializer. So the name of project Spring Boot REST API example. I cancel this part. Now I turn here in project and I choose Maven, the name is Java, the version of Spring 3.1.0 and the packaging is Java. Here the version of Java 70. I will add some dependence. So here I will add the web, GPL, the tools, logbook, and REST controller, REST repository, finally, and CRUD. So I will generate this project. I open. So I do copy to this project and I do paste here. After I will do import in Eclipse. So file, import, Maven, existing Maven project. So I choose my project. And I will do my import. So I will click here because there is some download to some dependence. So I open my project and I find two parts, SRC main Java, SRC main resource, and SRC test Java. So here in Java I can add my class, my interface, and the resource, there is application property. So I can add some information here, for example, to connect to a database, and here the part of the test for my project. I control my form, I find all the dependencies generated from our project. So now I will pass to add the model and repository. Thanks and see you in the next video.